Randy. I'm a mechanic for Kent County Road Commission on the North Complex. Today we're going to go through topping off your windshield washer fluid. So a lot of times people buy cheaper fluid for the summertime. A lot of that fluid will take and freeze on contact your windshield on cold days. I recommend adding at least a -30 for the winter time. Usually your windshield washer fluid reservoir cap will be blue, and I'll show a picture of a windshield with a little spray coming up. It usually just flips open. You'll take your new washer fluid, your lower freeze point, and you'll just pour it in there. If you have a steady hand, you can just pour your windshield washer fluid in like that. It's much easier to use a funnel, and then you'll just pour it in through the funnel. So if your washer fluid is filled up with a cheaper mixture that's like -20, you can always lower the freezing point of it with a concentrated bottle of what's called Boost, and then that will make it good to go for the winter. You may not think about your windshield wipers a lot, but it's one of the most important things for your visibility while you're out driving in the winter weather storms.